Now, Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu may secretly wish to pass a bill that would grant him immunity against his looming corruption charges, but quite a few Likud MKs are not having it. And Sharren Haskel is now the third member of his party to come out publicly against such legislation, saying she feels uncomfortable with the bill. But that said, she didn't rule out voting for the bill should it reach the Knesset floor. And at any rate, leading the chorus against the bill is Netanyahu's rival Gideon Sa'ar and his former aide, MK Michal Shir. Then former Likud MK Benny Begin also slammed the potential bill, calling it outright corruption. But while all this talk may lead Netanyahu to drop pushing for the law, in truth, there's already plenty of legislation in place that may let him off the hook anyway. For example, there's a clause which stipulates that a Knesset member is eligible for immunity if conviction would cause real damage to the functioning of the Knesset or to the representation of the voter's will. And then there's another clause that provides immunity if the indictment was handed down in bad faith or discrimination. And this is something Netanyahu's legal team may very well argue. Meanwhile, Netanyahu has until the end of the week to disclose his financial holdings, as the Attorney General's office demanded Netanyahu disclose his information since he's requesting wealthy benefactors pay his legal bills. And if he doesn't hand over the information by the end of the week, then Netanyahu may have to pay the bill his own way, which is just one more headache for the Prime Minister, who has still been unable to form a coalition. Those sources close to him say that that's because there's such a high demand for high-profile ministries, which if given away, would leave few, if any, worthy positions left to Likud loyalists.